Welcome to Foundation Visual Arts. Fine-tune your creativity with our one-year preparatory program that teaches drawing, color study, creative process, art history, design, and writing for designers and makers. Develop your dexterity in visual problem solving with hands-on, project-based curriculum. Document your work and prepare your professional portfolio. This is a must-have for artists and designers when applying for grants, scholarships, and further study. If you're an applicant without prior post-secondary or work experience in the arts community, we recommend you enter here. Foundation Visual Arts prepares you for further study in one of nbccd's diploma programs or at other leading visual art or design institutions in Canada and beyond. Learn more about our diploma studios to help you determine your direction for your future. This program continues to be available in person and on-site, but we are now offering a limited number of fully online seats. To see full program details and apply now, please visit our website at nbccd.ca/programs/foundation. We can't wait to see what you create.